Hi students, we're moving on to some algebraic rules that we need to learn. We'll touch on the associative law, the two laws that you need to learn today. So the associative law for addition, okay, for example, when you have bracket a plus b, close bracket plus c, is actually the same as a plus bracket a plus b plus c, close bracket. It's actually the same as a plus b plus c. So I can actually substitute numbers into this equation to actually make sense, to make some sense to you, okay? So just like 8 plus 9 plus 10 is actually the same as 17 plus 10, which is 27. So if I change it around, I present it in another way, 8 plus holding bracket 9 plus 10 is actually 8 plus 19. It still gives me the same answer. So that's why this is actually the associative law of addition. So what about multiplication? So seems like it works too. So a times b holding bracket times c is actually the same as a times holding bracket b times c. Close bracket is the same as a times b times c. So let's substitute numbers into the equation to check whether it works. So 8 times 9 times 10 is actually the same as 72 times 10, which is 720 as the answer. Moving on, so just change the bracket around. I have 8 times holding bracket 9 times 10, close bracket is equals to 8 times 90, will still give me the answer as 720. So do bear that in mind. For multiplication and addition, you actually have this associative law that governs them. Commutative law, that's something that we've touched on earlier on in algebra. Just like a plus b is the same as b plus a. Remember I've told you ab is the same as ba. Okay. So for this case, a plus b equals to b plus a. So a plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 8. So the multiplication concept is the same like what I told you earlier on. A plus ab is the same as ba. So 5 times 9 equals to 45. 9 times 5 is equals to 45. So they are the same. Unfortunately, commutative law does not apply to subtraction and division. Okay, just like 8 minus 3 is not the same as 3 minus 8, they are different. And also 24 divided by 4 is different from 4 divided by 24. Got it? So now using associative law to complete the following. So looking at part A, I have 2w plus 8d here, and over here I have 8d and 5h here. So what do I have missing on here? Is simply 5h. So and looking at this, comparing here, this side with this side, I'm short of 2w. Okay? And looking at this again, you have x here, 4g here, you have d here. So the d must be somewhere. So the d must be here. That's missing. And looking at this, d and 4g, the only thing missing is x. That's how you fill in the missing answers in the boxes. Okay, next one, associative and commutative law to complete the following. So in the book, okay, the equal sign is missing. Do take note that that's meant to be an equal sign here. So 4r plus 6t equals to blank. Over here is 5g on this side, nothing here. So now there are 3 terms here, 3 terms here. The missing item must be 5g here. So the other 2 missing items, looking at this, the 2 missing items are 4r and 6t. Okay, looking at this question here now, you have a times 3t times 2w. So 2w is here. So what is missing is just 3t. That's right. Oh, what's happening here? Am I supposed to put a number or a mathematical sign? Seems like it meant to be a t times here. So times a as the answer. Okay. Well done. So please complete this 3 question exercise 8.7 and also complete this review question. I will be highlighting to your attention on when we can have the algebra tests. Okay, same thing. If you have any issue, please drop me a message on Teams. Bye bye.